Coastal is really a hybrid of our own family office / private equity firm. For the last 15 years, I've had friends call me about investing in the same kind of deals that I've been doing. The challenge has been their check sizes. Most of them weren't in a position in each deal to write a $5 or a $10 million check. So what we did is we created a structure that lets what we call successful people participate in institutional quality opportunities. And so fast forward to today, we've got hundreds and hundreds of investors that get to piggyback onto the deals that we, as a family office, we're doing one way or another, and ultimately makes the opportunities better and more fruitful for everybody because the check sizes are bigger. So we've got all kinds of investors. We've got professional athletes, guys that have sold tech companies for $500 million every day, just successful guys that are a couple years out of college, making $500,000. So I get to talk to a lot of people and see what their appetite is for the kind of deals they look for. As an investor, it's nice because you can really build quickly a diversified portfolio of a lot of different asset types, but with a ton of different groups that have 5-decade track records, right? And so for us, the most important things we look for sponsors is how long have you been doing this? What's your annual return in terms of track record? And have you ever lost investors' money? Teams always kind of looking at where the puck's going, not where it is. It's always easier to look at where it is, and instead of having the right people that know how to go do the homework, dig up the data, and figure out where it's going. So for us, we spend a lot of time and have a great group of guys, on our acquisitions team, on our due diligence team, that go out and kick the dirt on these opportunities for years before we show them to an investor. Our team of advisors is really unique because it's guys that come from different tax backgrounds, private equity backgrounds, venture capital backgrounds. All of them help solve different problems for different types of people. And, I think the cool thing about Coastal is all of our partners have millions of dollars, some of us tens of millions of dollars into the deals ourselves. All of our advisors invest in this stuff. Our tax strategy team these are CPAs and attorneys that use the same tools they're talking to investors about. To me, that tells the whole story. If you like, hearing from an investment advisor what to do, and then they don't have money themselves in those deals, and that works for you, some people are okay with that. I'm not. And so for me, I really want to make sure the stuff we're doing, the people that are vetting it also are willing to put their chips into. And that's been a big part of our success, I think. My vision for Coastal's constantly evolving. When I started this company, I never really planned on having, thousands of clients that were looking to us for advice. This was just the vehicle I created to solve my own problems. I'm super grateful that people trust in me, trust in our team, our advisory board, and have followed suit to piggyback onto a lot of the deals that we do. I think we're constantly adapting to what people's needs are and growing different parts of our business. So for us, it's just about seeing what kind of problems keep falling in front of us from investors, and then putting the best team in place to help them solve it. And just one day at a time, kind of fixing people's issues.